Have you ever seen a firefly? We need you to help us find them. Fireflies like to live outside where there's a lot of trees, tall grass, and fresh air. People like how fireflies light up the dark night sky and look so pretty. But sometimes people can hurt fireflies by cutting down trees and building houses where the fireflies used to live. Let's learn a little bit more about fireflies. Did you know a firefly is a beetle? This is what they look like. Fireflies didn't always look like that. Fireflies start out in tiny little eggs. Once they come out of the egg, they are called larvae. They look like little worms and live in the dirt. Fireflies are larvae for one whole year. During this time, they eat a lot and they grow and grow and grow. Finally, they take a break and become pupa. When they come out of the pupa form, they are adults, all ready to go fly around and light up our skies. Fireflies talk to each other by flashing their light. This is how they do it. Fireflies have different ways of flashing. Think about a drum. When you beat a drum, you can make different rhythms. When fireflies flash their light, they do it with different rhythms that scientists call flash patterns. You can't hear flash patterns like you hear the beat of a drum, but you can see them. Here is what they look like. City lights can be very pretty to look at, but they make it hard for fireflies to talk to each other because they can't see each other's light. Scientists are trying to count fireflies to see if they're really disappearing. Are you ready to help us count fireflies? Here's how you can count. You can do it on a phone, or you can write it down on a piece of paper. On a phone, you're going to use a special app called the Firefly Counter. It looks like this. Get an adult to help you find it. When you go outside to count, make sure it's dark so you can see the fireflies when they flash. Next, make a circle with your hand. Look through the circle like this and count every time you see a firefly. Don't count the fireflies that are outside of your circle. If you are using the app, all you do is tap the button every time you see a firefly. If you are using paper, just make a mark on the paper every time you see a firefly, and then you can count up all your marks at the end. The Firefly app will send scientists your count. If you are counting on paper, you will need to get an adult to help you find our website, and you can tell us how many you counted online. This map shows the people who helped us count last year. We want to see you on the map. Fireflies are so pretty to watch and can tell scientists a lot about the environment. No one wants to see them go, so get ready to count